A diagnosis of diabetes in your dog can sound scary at first, but with proper planning, managing your dog's health at home doesn't need to be difficult. I'm Dr. Aubrey Lavazo. Vegas, Cole, our technician, and I are going to show you a few of the basic steps when it comes to administering insulin to your dog. The important things to keep in mind: keep all insulin refrigerated, use as prescribed, and handle carefully. We need to have ready a one-time use disposable needle and our bottle of insulin. Check with your veterinarian on whether their injection protocol includes sterilizing your dog's skin prior to injection. Typically, veterinarians recommend feeding right around the time of an injection, but be sure to follow your veterinarian's instructions. When you take your insulin from the refrigerator, gently roll the bottle in your hand to mix it. Don't shake, just a slow roll before inverting the bottle. Invert the bottle, insert your needle, and pull back until the prescribed amount of insulin is in your syringe. You can push back into the bottle until you are at the correct amount, and that eliminates any air bubbles. Pick up the loose skin between the shoulder blades to form a tent. When injecting, push the needle quickly and firmly through the skin. Practice on fruit or a stuffed animal to become more comfortable with giving the injection. It's important to manage food or caloric intake to keep glucose levels constant. Your veterinarian will suggest a combination of clinic visits and home monitoring to keep a close eye on your dog's health. If more than one person in your household is involved in your dog's care, consider keeping a journal in a specific place so everyone knows if the dog has received his injection at the right time. Disposable syringes are meant to be used only once. If you miss an injection or wonder if your dog has received the full dose, skip that dose and wait for the next one. It is always better to underdose rather than risk overdosing. A diagnosis of diabetes is not a death sentence for your pet. Diabetes can be managed, and your dog can live for many more years after a diagnosis.